It was a school dance, and everyone was swinging. The guys danced with the guys, and the girls danced with the girls, but I'm not like that. And so I asked you to dance. Would you dance with me? 'Cause I am asking you to dance. And even if you don't know how, it's never too late to learn. So then we can get out there, and I can show everyone just how magical you are tonight. 'Cause it's you and I, we made such a perfect pair tonight. And I wonder why I could never tell you how much I love you. Yes, my secret, and I put my trust in you all to keep it. And I know just who you are, the only angel in my dreams. But I don't know why you care so much about me this night. 'Cause you have such magical eyes, and I see your colors in the sky. But I don't know why you care so much about me this night. 'Cause you have such magical eyes, and I see your colors in the sky. Oh girl, you are so magical. You are.